So hey everybody, as you can see I'm out here at City Forest and oh, it's packed. Well, there are people here, but they're all enjoying the trails. So hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. Excited to get out, take a walk around. It's a beautiful day. I am wearing a jacket, but actually I should have left it in the car. It's in the 60s, so it is gorgeous. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So welcome to What's Update May 2020. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the All Aboard 2020 Carnival Conquest series I did. We had a blast. My God, the people are so friendly, and the crew and the staff and the people in the ports and the shop owners, and oh my God, it's endless. But I really got to say thank you guys. Thanks to Carnival. #ChooseFun. If you guys want to do some research on Carnival Cruise Lines, it is amazing. I think I'm going to go this way because I don't want to go up the big hill they use for skiing and sleigh riding. Last week, me and my husband are supposed to be in Disney World. We had our vacation planned for almost a year. But of course, because of the lockdowns, Disney parks are closed to keep us safe, which is awesome. And I'm a little disappointed, but what we did was we took the refunds from the park and airlines and we booked a week out in Anaheim, California at Disneyland. So we're going to do that come this October. I'm sure we'll probably end up doing some other places like Knott's Berry Farm, and of course see some of the sights. And I'd like to get to the beach just to take pictures, not to swim. But anyway, that'll be fun. So make sure you guys stick around for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to hit that little notification so you never miss an update. So everybody, thanks for coming along today as we walk around City Forest. Try to get some footage for you guys, a couple of photos. But anyway, I'm going to head out. I'll see you guys soon. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you. Have a great day. And here she is, my transport to adventures. Thanks again, everybody. See you soon. Bye.